Welcome back. Well, as we've been telling you, the Nifty has gained for the third straight day yesterday, and now the Nifty is up over 400 points from the 2nd March low that we hit, which was about 17,300. Anuj joins in for a quick trade setup. Anuj, that's the big question everyone's asking, right? Is the worst of the rate hike fears already priced in? But what's the sense you're getting about whether the market is all set to break out of this range between 17,300 to sort of 800?
Yes, good morning, Sonia. Good morning, Surbi and Nigel. Well, yesterday the market, aced the test. We said yesterday morning that there's a bit of a test for the market, and the market beautifully passed it, and maybe it deserves a day off after that. We have a fantastic day yesterday. Bank Nifty led the recovery from the lows and closed at day's high. I think today being expiry, it could be an option writer's day, and you don't want to dabble too much on days like today. The Nifty is very close to negating a big bearish trend. For that, it will need to, of course, close above some crucial levels that I'll mention. But the market has clearly shown you that it will fall now only if the news is really negative. I mean, just the fear of rate hikes alone won't take the Indian market down, even if global markets are down because of that. But as I said, the market faces some crucial resistance now, 17,825 to 850. It was a zone from where the market actually had the bigger fall in February. And it's also the 50-day simple moving average. And also, if you go by the options data, where you have the highest open interest is 17,800 call with the premium of 20 rupees. So, all things considered, not a zone in which you want to initiate a fresh long. You want to see if the market is sustaining this or not. And the Bank Nifty is interesting because that's been the go-to pocket. And if one index can take Nifty out of this range, it's Bank Nifty. It's shown signs of that. Yesterday also, the dips were bought. And my sense is if you take out 41,800 and close above that, then straight away the next level to watch will be 1,000 points higher at 42,800. That's the internal strength of Bank Nifty right now. Decline only happens if you start to break 41,350, but that's not my base case. I think the Bank Nifty leads the market out of this range.
Anuj, I think your tie color, maybe my dress color today is kind of telling us the market's mood, but I don't know. I was telling Nigel, I want to still hold my breath till we see that jobs data and see whether the worst of this, falling on the interest rate hike fears, whether that's behind us or not. But take your point, absolutely.
In US right now, you can leave a job and you will have another offer literally in 1 hour.
Really?
It's that good, yeah. I mean, everyone has 2 jobs already for the job that they're doing.
Recession? What recession are you talking about?
That's what they're saying, that, it will have to be a forced recession. And that is why, you maybe over the next few weeks or months, you will hear a lot about front-loading more rate hikes so that, you can purposely bring the economy into recession, maybe because that's the only thing which will sort of puncture this inflation sort of bubble. But I mean, jury's out on that.
Sure. Okay, all right. Thanks very much, Anuj, for joining in with some of the thoughts on the market today. Let's take that forward with our technical experts. We have Sudarshan Sukhani as well as Mitesh Thakkar joining in with the latest. Gentlemen, good morning. Great to have you on the show as always. Let's start with how you have read the pullback. Sudarshan, your thoughts on the index now and whether it still gives you the comfort to start off with a long trade?
Good morning. Well, yesterday when we